Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to verify Tonkeeper wallet. For that, open the Tonkeeper app in your mobile. When you open the Tonkeeper app in your mobile, then you will need to sign in into your Tonkeeper wallet. Once you complete the process of sign in, you will see the option of wallet. And if you want to verify your Tonkeeper wallet, you don't need to do anything because your account or wallet is verified by Tonkeeper already. So you don't need to verify your account manually because it is automatically verified by the Tonkeeper. If you want to add the another security layer, for that you need to consider some steps to follow. First, go to settings at the top right corner. In the settings, you will see the security option here. When you click on security, you will see three options of security like use biometrics, lock screen, change password. Choose any of these as per your requirements. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.